Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ralph from the YouTube channel Goldwing It. I am bringing today's video from my outdoor office here in Richmond, Virginia. It's 90 degrees. It's hot, but not unbearable. Today's video is going to be a bit different from my past videos in that most of my videos have been about my riding adventures, whether it's about rides to lunch or the best roads in Virginia. Most recently, I've done a series on why I ride. Today is an informational piece. One of the issues with making videos, particularly on a motorcycle, is the wind noise that's associated with the video. You can get a nice picture, but you can't get any engine sound because of the wind noise. I use an Insta360 One X2 camera to film my videos. A great camera. One of the advantages is you only need one camera instead of multiple cameras because you can get 360-degree pictures. Still, when the pictures are taken, videos are produced, you get a lot of wind noise. And I have found a solution to that, which I will share with you today. Some of you, most of you may already know. But one of the ways of dealing with the wind noise is through the use of an external recorder. The particular one I use is the one I'm showing you here. It's the Zoom H1N. And when you put together these two devices, you can get great sound from your videos. In the video that follows, the first video, the first footage shows basically results from using the internal mic of the camera. The second part shows the results from using a synced up version from the recorder. I think the results are amazing. You let me know what you think. So what did you think of that particular video? The Zoom H1N lived up to expectations as far as I'm concerned. So I can now video and record the engine sound if that's what I want for a particular video. One of the issues is you have to locate the recorder outside of the line of sight of wind. So the next video will show some options or samples of where I place the recorder. Until next time, you ride safe.